Welcome you guys, my name is Yusef and today we're going to be talking about should you be investing into the stock market or should you buy in actually gold. This is the perfect time to go over those little details and tell you what's the best option for you guys as of right now. Alright guys, so as I told you, the prices of gold has been going up consistently over the years. Within the last literally 5 years, I can show you that it went all the way from like $900 for every ounce of gold all the way to $1,600, $1,700, and you can see that amount that it's building over the years little by little. So it's like anything just like the stock market. If you buy into it, get out of it tomorrow, then you're definitely gonna see some loss maybe. But if you actually start investing into your portfolio and leave your money there for the time being, I think it's a great opportunity that you can build your portfolio and see that amount go up every single year after year, and you don't have to worry about it coming down and crashing on you. So I'm gonna show you how basically from the websites that I buy the gold from, you can buy anything from 1 gram, you can buy 5 gram, you can buy any amount that you want. It's just like basically fractional sales that you do on stock market. You don't have to buy a whole huge gold bar, and that's what a lot of people don't know about gold. You can buy very little tiny amounts of gold, anywhere from half a gram all the way to 1,000 gram, 1 kilo. So it's easy for you to actually invest into the gold market, and it's a great time right now for you able to study and learn the gold market as well too. As you can see right here, the gold prices went all the way from $1,100 to $1,600 for an ounce of gold in just a matter of years. So as soon as the stock market is slightly coming down, then you can see the rise of the gold for that. And you can also diversify basically your portfolio by also investing a little bit of money into the gold market. So at least when the stock market is going down and you're losing some money, then you're gaining that same money into the gold market and you're not basically losing money. Just in case if you go into recession and you happen to unfortunately lose your job, then you have something to actually rely on and you didn't basically lose your equity. So it's a great way to diversify your portfolio, just like the way that you would buy different type of stocks and not only put all your money in this one stock, and you buy different multiple stocks from different sectors of the stock market. Same way you want to invest some of your money into the gold market, so when the market is actually cracking, it's a great time for you to see your gold investment growing, and you can always sell your gold bar back to the same companies that you purchased them from. So it's a one kind of a set off to be able to actually not lose any money just on such a radical thing that happens usually with the stock market. And right now it's a very difficult time for a lot of you who are new to the investing, and a lot of you who are beginners. It's going to be very tough for you to see your money go up and down so crazy into the stock market just because you're new to this, and basically your heart can't take it. Honestly, when I started investing into the stock market and my money would go up and down in a day, I would lose $200, $300 just in a single day. It would kind of make me upset, and I was always nervous on how to do this. But since I've seen the market throughout the years, I know what's going to be doing. If you're trying to basically build your portfolio for multiple years, and you're going to be leaving the money, basically buying the stock and holding it and never selling it, this is a great time for you to invest into the stock market, because everything is basically on sale. So everything is so much lower than what it's actually expected to be. But if you think that that's going to make you worry, that's going to give you a lot of hassle, that's going to be a lot of trouble thinking inside your head, it's a great time to invest into the gold market as little as possible. Anything that you can basically find that it's affordable for you in any amount, and just hold on to it for the years. And I hope that you can smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm as well too. But seriously, smash that like button, leave me a comment down below, let me know what you think, let me know if you actually invest into gold or maybe cryptocurrency, anything that it's you're investing into, please let me know in the comments below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Ciao.